Hello friends, today we will learn about adjectives. We have done about nouns and also about articles. Now today we will do adjectives. Okay, so let's start with adjectives. So what are adjectives? Adjectives are the words which tell us about the noun. We have learnt about nouns. Now adjectives which are going to tell us about the nouns, and they are going to be different kind of adjectives. Proper adjectives, adjective of quantity, quality, possessive, distributive, interrogative, demonstrative. Okay, so today we are going to discuss these kinds of adjectives, and we'll know also the differences between these kinds of adjectives. Fine. So what are proper adjectives? These are the adjectives which tells us about the noun. So we would call them as proper adjectives. Another is about quantity, which could be some, few, many, all. Quality, it will tell us the quality of a noun. It could be a color. For example, Sita is wearing a colorful dress, or so here the colorful will be adjective of quality because it tells us about the dress. Another is possessive objective. For example, the cousin live in the New Zealand. So this shows the ownership. Okay, their cousin. So this shows the ownership. Against the distributive, here we could use each, every. Interrogative, here we have a question mark. And demonstrative adjective. In demonstrative adjective, we use these, those. Now we are going to come to exercise. This is English grammar of class 7 and NCERT book. Now we are going to come exercise A. Underline the adjectives in these sentences, then write them in correct column in the table on the next page. One has been done for you. The Indian artists were recognized for their exquisite workmanship. So we are going to underline Indian and exquisite, and they would come under proper adjective, adjective of quality. Second, many women work long hours to fulfill their commitments. So many would be adjective of quantity, long would be of quality, and there would be again possessive adjective. These patients were asked to complete the formalities. So these would be demonstrative adjective. We could not get into crowded train. Again it is adjective of quality. The Japanese tourists were delighted with their trip. So the Japanese is going to be a proper adjective. Each student was asked to produce an identity card at the entrance. Each would be again distributive adjective. Whose bag are you carrying? This is interrogative adjective. All the excited spectators cheered the players enthusiastically. So again this is going to be of quality. At the back we have to list them. These have been already listed here. Mine have been already listed. I have listed them. So this you have to list. Okay, those sentences under adjective and types of adjective. Now another exercise is underline the adjectives in these sentences. Write whether they are interrogative, demonstrative, or what kind of adjectives are they. Beena bought these bags yesterday. So these would be demonstrative adjective. This has been done for you. Now second, which dress belongs to Mehak? Again interrogative. Her brother is a doctor. Her is going to be possessive. That house is on outskirts of the city. that would be demonstrative. Then again, whose necklace was stolen, whose would be interrogative. Father has 4 pairs of shoes, this would be again quantity. Which book gives information about the tourist spots in Sydney, this would be again which would be interrogative. And Jane won the 3rd prize in the essay competition, this would talk about quality. Okay, this would not be of quantity but would talk about quality. Now here another we have come to degrees of comparison. We have learned about there are going to be 3 kind of degrees: positive, then comparative, and then superlative. Again we have a table in these degrees and you have to learn them. Here we have only few degrees which has been done in an exercise. Complete this table to know the 3 degrees of comparison, like thin, thinner, thinnest. Okay, loyal, more loyal, most loyal. Then narrow, narrower, narrowest. Convenient, then more convenient, then most convenient. Stubborn, most stubborn, and most stubborn. Happy, happier, happiest. Obedient, more obedient, most obedient. Fair, farther, farthest. Brave, braver, bravest. And then pretty, prettier, prettiest. Again, these degrees we have, there is a huge list of these degrees and one has to learn these degrees. Okay, now the last exercise is D. Complete this table, and this is the suffix and we are going to make adjectives out of it. So first has been done for you. The second one, ES, would be luxurious, glorious, melodious. IVE, protective, defensive, defective. ISH, stylish, foolish, sheepish. IC, energetic, majestic, artistic. ICAL, mathematical, grammatical, classical. Then full, powerful, meaningful, successful. Then able, manageable, repairable, admirable. L, musical, critical, logical. And then the last one, less, powerless, pointless, meaningless. With this we have completed with adjectives. So these are adjectives which are being explained in a very short form here, and we have completed the whole exercise. Tomorrow we are going to do about more on adjectives. Okay, we will do more on adjectives so that it would make more clearer to you. If you have any problem, please write your problems in comments. I would love to hear your comments. Thank you.